Welcome to this tutorial on how to connect Loox on Shopify. Loox is a popular review and rating app that helps increase customer trust and drive sales. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to connect Loox to your Shopify store. First, you need to install the Loox app from the Shopify App Store. To do this, log in to your Shopify admin panel and click on the Apps tab. Then click on the Visit the App Store button and search for Loox. Click on the Loox app and then click on the Add App button. Once the app is installed, you need to configure the settings. To do this, click on the Loox app from the Apps tab in your Shopify admin panel. Then click on the Settings tab and enter your store details such as store name and store URL. You also need to set up the review request email that will be sent to your customers after they make a purchase. Next, you need to customize the review widget that will be displayed on your product pages. To do this, click on the Widgets tab and select the review widget you want to use. You can customize the widget by changing the layout and design to match your store theme. After customizing the widget, you need to add it to your product pages. To do this, click on the Online Store tab in your Shopify admin panel and then click on the Themes tab. Then click on the Actions button and select Edit Code. In the code editor, you need to add the Loox widget code to the product template. Finally, you need to test the Loox app to make sure it is working correctly. To do this, place a test order and then check your email for the review request email. You should also check your product pages to make sure the review widget is displayed correctly. By following these steps, you can easily connect Loox to your Shopify store and start collecting reviews from your customers. Remember to customize the review widget and email to match your store brand and to test the app regularly to ensure it is working correctly. With Loox, you can increase customer trust and drive sales by showcasing customer reviews and ratings on your product pages.